Our thanks to John. Now, so with all this going on around Ohio State, there was one other bit of Buckeye news that did not involve the scandal, but did involve one of Meyer's former captains and St. John's High School alum Jack Mewhort, the former Titan, announcing his retirement as a player in the National Football League. Mewhort was a second-round pick by the Colts back in 2014, started 30 games in his first 2 seasons, but just 15 the last 2 years because of multiple injuries. In a statement released by Jack, he said, quote, "I'd like to thank the Irsay family and the entire Colts organization for giving me the opportunity to live a childhood dream. The fans in the city of Indianapolis have treated me like one of their own, and I am forever grateful. Wearing the horseshoe is one of the biggest honors I have ever known, and I will always bleed blue. Go Colts," end quote.